Hello everyone. Hello my little ones. How are you today? Yes, fine and fit. So stand up all of you. Yes, this is the time for sing a song. What song we will sing? Yes, happy, happy, happy morning. Happy, happy, happy morning. Happy, happy, happy morning. Yes, sit down all of you. Happy morning. Yes, today I'm going to tell you a story of sound A. Yes, आज मैं आपको क्या सुनाने वाली हूँ? एक स्टोरी साउंड ए की. Are you excited? Are you ready to listen of sound A? Yes. Okay. So there was a little girl whose name was Angel. She climbed up an apple tree. And what happened? Yes, one ant bite on her ankle. And she shouts, something tickling on me, something tickling on me, something tickling on me. And she shouts, eh, eh, eh. Yes, right. What sounds comes from eh? Eh, eh, eh. Apple. Yes. Eh, eh. Arm. Eh, eh. Aunt. Eh, eh. Aeroplane. So what sounds comes from eh? Eh, eh, eh. And do you know how to write a capital A? Yes. This is a capital A. Okay. And you know how to write a small a? Yes. This is a small a. And this is a capital big A. So what sound